Hey there, this is your host Mark from Blades & More with a review of this Benchmade Osborne 940-2 folding pocket knife. The Osborne has been around, Benchmade, for some time, but this is a newer kind of an update model that I think came out in 2017 or 18, and it has a G10 handle. It's just a very popular model, and it's 2019 now, and I finally took the plunge and decided to purchase one. The cost, I paid around $175 for it, and I'm very impressed with its high quality features. So it is 7.87 inches overall length with a blade length of 3.4 inches long. The blade thickness is 0.12 inches. And it is a S30V steel material. Just a really nice knife. It feels great in my hand. I love the G10 handle, the blade design, the length, the weight. I can see why it's so popular. It's a very nice knife. It has a reverse tanto blade with a flat grind, with a very nice satin finish, and a plain edge. It has a smaller sanding choil with dual ambidextrous thumb studs. And it opens just perfectly. It has the Benchmade Axis Lock locking system. With a stainless steel liners that have been recessed, just partial liners. And there's jimping near the index finger ram, and jimping also on the top of the stainless steel liner near the thumb ram. The G10 handle material is very nice, lightly textured, sculpturing in it. Fits my large to extra large hand perfectly. It's an open back handle design with green anodized machined pillars. It is a tip-up carry design with a right hand or left hand placement of the clip. Put it on the front side or the back side of the handle. The centering is perfect, the blade and the handle. The knife fits fairly deep in your pocket. Some of the tip of the handle will show. The knife comes in at 2.65 ounces, so it's very light. Opens and closes and locks up very nicely. This would make a great all-around knife for a wide variety of functions, including a great lightweight EDC. If the quality build would stand up to a variety of other tasks like hunting, camping, fishing, just a great all-around knife. Very impressed with this Benchmade Osborne. And I think you would be too if you would decide to make the plunge and spend the approximate $175 for a new model. So there we go, everybody. I appreciate you watching. It is the Benchmade Osborne 942 folding pocket knife with the G10 handle scales. Okay, see you later. Bye now.